In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Apple Notes edit history. We will do this using the activity feature in a shared note, so you can see who changed what and when. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Look for the yellow Notes icon on your home screen or inside a folder. When Notes opens, you should see a list of your folders or a list of your recent notes. If you have multiple accounts, such as iCloud and email accounts, make sure you are in the correct section where your shared note lives. Now, open the shared note you want to inspect. A shared note has a small people icon next to its name in the list. Tap that note to open it. Once it opens, you should see its full content, along with the title at the top and your text or checklists below. If you do not see the people icon on the note in the list, that means it is not a shared note, and the activity feature will not appear for that note. With the shared note open, swipe right on the note or swipe up on the activity card. When you swipe, an activity panel appears, usually at the bottom or side, depending on your layout. This panel highlights recent changes, such as text that was added, edited, or removed. If you swipe right on the main note area, you may see colored highlights that match different people who edited the note. After you reveal the activity panel, you will see information about who made changes and when. Each entry usually shows a name or initials, along with a time or date. For example, you might see that someone edited the note 5 minutes ago, or yesterday at a certain time. This lets you quickly confirm which collaborator updated a list, added a paragraph, or checked off items. If several people edit at once, you may see multiple entries stacked close together in time. Next up, tap Collaborate at the top of the screen. This button usually appears near the title area and may show an icon with people. When you tap it, a small menu opens with options for how you want to view the activity. This menu controls how much detail you see in the activity view. From there, choose Show Updates to focus only on changes made since you last opened the note. This is helpful when you have been away from the note for a while. You will only see new edits that happened after your previous visit. Once you pick this option, the activity area refreshes and hides older entries. Alternatively, choose Show All Activity to see every recorded change. This view is useful when you want the full picture of how the note evolved over time. The list will be longer and includes both recent and older edits, so you can scroll to earlier days and see past changes in order. You can also choose Show Highlights to see names, dates, and the changes made by each participant. In this view, colored highlights in the note text match different people. This makes it easier to scan the note itself and see who contributed which section or checklist item, without reading every timestamp in the panel. Finally, one important limitation. For a regular private Apple Note, Apple does not provide a traditional version history where you can browse previous versions and restore one. The activity feature is primarily for shared or collaborative notes, so you can review changes but not roll the note back to an earlier state. You have now learned how to see edit history in Apple Notes for shared notes using the activity view. If this helped you track changes in your shared notes, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more Apple Notes tips.